Hello everybody, today Burbler here on the PC after getting the brand new microphone. I don't know if you heard that. We're playing Grimm's. I can't read. I'm not a good reader. I know that might be Grimm's Hollow. I'm sorry. Let's just play this. I'm going into this completely blind. Unless I have to redo this video, and then I'm not going completely blind because then I'll be very mad. So let's stop stalling and let's go. I can't widescreen this? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Ah, well. That is loud. Ow. No. I think so. So I can't use my mouse cursor. Okay, I guess it can be here. Oh. Okay. Okay, that's flicking. I'm just gonna move this in here so we don't. Okay. Classic or I'm in for challenge. If it's too loud, the next video will wake up. Bright. I hate looking at white stuff. Wait, I should have read that! We're so happy to have you join us. Oh, so we're in a cult? Okay. It's been I don't know that word, time since we seen a new face. Well, we are genderless. Oh. Who are you people? Hang on. Who are you people? It's from an episode of SpongeBob where it's like SpongeBob hides and then Sandy goes crazy. We're your new friends. Okay, strangers. I'm calling the police. Hang on. I'm calling the police. Hang on. Let me get... I'm calling the police. No. I'm calling the police. Yeah. Wait. I don't have a phone. Uh-oh. Why is she acting? Oh. Good thing we have balloons. Yes, about only 3 of the balloons have faces. Everyone loves balloons. Yes, the balloons that have like 2 frames? I don't know. Where are my balloons? Oh, swear word. Everyone, shoo! Oh wait, no. Use Grimm. Let me do it even. Everyone, shoo! Grimm. Must we... No, I don't know that word. No are to be thrown, unit, human, useless. The new bit in word. And no party in to be thrown without me. Okay, Grimm. I don't... Oh, especially with my balloons! No. Especially with my balloons! Come on now, everyone. Out. Oh, there will be cake later. Ooh, I got it. There will be cake later. Slow on the group. I am so hot. Hot. It's good. They're a bit overwhelming? I don't know. What is happening? I'm gonna do my voice for this character. Right. I'll just be standing about it. You're dead. You're dead. No. I heard you, but why are you? That went fast. Why are you here? Well, for you will split in down enough to move on. Here is Grimm. So, blah 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 blah. Ghosts. People who split. It's too naked to go. We rest. Yeah. We do. And, it's a top of around time. For now, you need to rest. And, robes. Oh, there are fresh robes for you on the bedside cabinet. There. Oh, I was like, I thought I had to read that all again for a moment. Oh, the loft bread, and so keep enough to give you donuts and cookies, free of fortune. We don't have milk. Wait! Do you know where my brother is, Timmy? Oh, wait. Do you know where my brother is? Do you know where my brother is, Timmy? I misread that because of that kind of big space scene. I was like, do you know where my brother is, Timmy? For a moment, I was like, is Timmy? Sorry, little one, I don't know a Timmy, but if you need it, I will tip. Oh, if I need Timmy, I will tip. Have a good rest. Good thing I'm not wearing headphones. I can stay here. This may be cut it out. Yeah. Oh, wait. There's always secrets here. Oh. I'm disguised. Your ghost sprite does not look the same, but I am going to give you a quiet voice. Cave? They should also put an exclamation point there, because it's just like, cave. I think it's supposed to be like, yes. Oh, God. Where can I find him? Which way? Just go. Oh, wait. I misread that, dang it. Thank you. Here. Thank you. Dang it. I keep using WASD. Can I interact with you? Welcome. Welcome to Grimm Hollow. All those Reapers are gonna get that voice. Welcome to Grimm Hollow. Going this way. Wait, can I fall off? Nope. Me. Just say nope. What's this way? Oh, here we are, a perfect cave. It's dark in here. Guess I should take off my mask. Jimmy, are you in here? Gah! Ah, what a fresh face. You must be a new newbie. Yes, hi. I am. Can you help me? I hate misreading things. Curse dyslexia. Yes, I have dyslexia. If you're looking for a round Reaper in here, you'll need to here. Take mine. Oh, it's a scythe. I didn't know that word. Thank you, but why? Oh, heads up. Should I? Yes, let's skip the tutorial. I have to fight. Oh, it's a speed thing. Neat combat thing. What do I press? I don't know what to do. Maybe I should have took that tutorial. Do I press enter? How do I regret my decision? Do I press? Lee. Ah! I doomed myself. Hey. Oh, I thought I had to press the letters like a type thing. Special. Finally! Yeah, thank you. I can't read all of this. Thank you all for watching. We only fought one thing throughout this adventure. How do I save? Let's see. So yeah, sorry about the video and stuff. And how I had to skip all that. But hey, I'm gonna learn about the combat. So yeah, I'll see you all in the next video. So, goodbye!